Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to kill cockroaches by understanding their structure. Cockroaches have a tough exoskeleton, which is like a shield protecting them. It is made of materials called chitin. In this hard outer layer helps them resist many common attacks.
They also have small flat body. This shape allows them to squeeze into a tiny crack and crevices, making it easy for them to hide from rats and find food sources in our homes. The long avenues are not just for decoration. These avenues are sensitive organs that help them detect their environment, including presence of food, water, and potential dangers. Understanding this structure is the first step in our fight against cockroaches.
Now my friend will explain how we can use this knowledge to develop effective killing methods.
Continuing from what my partner said, knowing the structure of cockroaches gives us clues on how to kill them. Because of their tough exoskeleton, we need substances that can penetrate it. Insecticides containing boric acid are a great choice. Boric acid can stick to the cockroach's body when they walk over it.
As they clean themselves, they ingest the boric acid, which then damages their digestive system and eventually kills them. Since they like to heal in small spaces, we should target these areas. Drill bells are very effective. We can place them in corners, under skins, and behind ambulances. The strong smell of the bell attracts cockroaches. Once they eat it, the poison inside will eliminate them. Now, let's hear about some physical methods of eliminating cockroaches.
In addition to chemical methods, there are physical ways to kill cockroaches based on their structure. Due to their small and flat bodies, sticky traps can be really useful. Cockroaches' prey will get stuck because of its body structure. They cannot escape and die on the trap. Another method is using a vacuum cleaner. After sucking them up, make sure to empty the vacuum cleaner bag outside to avoid them from escaping. Remember, these methods are both chemical and physical based on our understanding of their structure. It's the best way to kill cockroaches. Thank you for listening.